नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंदा. Rejuvenating text 31 and text 32 of chapter 5. Lord Rishabhadev's teachings to his sons of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 31. अति सुकुमार कर चरणोर्ह स्थल विपुल बाहवंश गल वदनाट्य वयव विन्यासः प्रकृति सुंदर स्वभाव हास सुमुखो नवनलीन दलायमान शिशिर तारारुणायत नयनरुचिरः सदृश सुभग कपोलकर्ण कंठनासो विगूढस्मितवदन महोत्सवेन पुरवनितानां मनसि कुसुम शरासन मुपदधानः परागवलंबमान कुटिल जटिल कपिश केशभूरी भारो अवधूत मलिन निज शरीरेण ग्रहगृहीत इवादृश्यत. Lord Rishabhadev's hands, feet and chest were very long. His shoulders, face and limbs were all very delicate and symmetrically proportioned. His mouth was beautifully decorated with his natural smile, and he appeared all the more lovely with his reddish eyes spread wide like the petals of a newly grown lotus flower covered with dew in the early morning. The irises of his eyes were so pleasing that they removed all the troubles of everyone who saw him. His forehead, ears, neck, nose, and all his other features were very beautiful. His gentle smile always made his face beautiful, so much so that he even attracted the hearts of married women. It was as though they had been pierced by arrows of Cupid. About his head was an abundance of curly, matted brown hair. His hair was disheveled because his body was dirty and not taken care of. He appeared as if he were haunted by a ghost. Although Lord Rishabhadev's body was very much neglected, his transcendental features were so attractive that even married women were attracted to him. His beauty and dirtiness combined to make his beautiful body appeared as though it were haunted by a ghost. Text 32. Yarahi वाव स भगवान लोकमी मम योगस्याद्धा प्रतीप निवाचक्षाणस तत प्रतिक्रिया कर्म विभत सितमिति व्रतमाजगर मास्थितः शयान एवाशनाति पीबति खादत्यव मेहति हदति स्म चेष्टमान उच्चरित आदिग्धोद्देशः. When Lord Rishabhadev saw that the general populace was very antagonistic to his execution of mystic yoga, he accepted the behavior of a python in order to counteract their opposition. Thus, he stayed in one place and lay down. While lying down, he ate and drank, and he passed stool and urine and rolled in it. Indeed, he smeared his whole body with his own stool and urine so that opposing elements might not come and disturb him. According to one's destiny, one enjoys allotted happiness and distress even though one keeps himself in one place. This is the injunction of the Shastras. When one is spiritually situated, he may stay in one place and all his necessities will be supplied by the arrangement of the Supreme Controller. Unless one is a preacher, there is no need to travel all over the world. A person can stay in one place and execute devotional service suitably according to time and circumstance. When Rishabhadev saw that he was simply being disturbed by traveling throughout the world, he decided to lie down in one place like a python. Thus he ate, drank, and he passed stool and urine and smeared his body with them so that people would not disturb him. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.